Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export Proton Calendar events step by step. Exporting your calendar is a great way to create a backup, transfer your events to another calendar service, or keep a copy of your schedule for future use. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar in your web browser and sign in with your Proton account. Wait for your calendar to load completely before continuing. Next, click the settings icon, then navigate to import and export or export, depending on the version of Proton Calendar you're using. You'll see options for exporting one or more of your calendars. Now, choose the calendar you want to export. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you select the correct one before starting the export process. Proton Calendar typically exports events in the standard ICS format, which is supported by most calendar applications. After selecting the calendar, click Export and wait a few moments while Proton Calendar prepares your file. Once it's ready, the ICS file will be downloaded to your computer. Save it in a safe location so you can easily find it later if you need to restore or transfer your events. To make sure everything worked correctly, open the downloaded file with a compatible calendar application or verify that the file was saved successfully in your Downloads folder. If you manage several calendars, repeat the export process for each one you want to back up, and that's it. You now know how to export Proton Calendar events and save your schedule as an ICS file for backup, sharing, or migration to another calendar service. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.